Hey you guys, I'm going to share a really exciting recipe. It's a keto-friendly muffin in a mug cake that you are going to love. Now, I've already sprayed my mug, so hopefully it won't stick to the sides. And I'm going to add the wet ingredients first, so that's what I'm going to do first. Now, this is great for like right now, you know, it's past lunchtime and I'm like, I should eat something, but I'm not really in the mood to like eat anything heavy. And so this is gonna be my lunch. And so who says you can't eat dessert for the lunch? Not me, hello. And this is so great if you're trying to watch your sugar, if you're trying to ditch the carbs, ditch, you know, the sugar and still stay full and not feel deprived. This is the perfect thing for you. You can use this as a dessert. It does have caffeine in it, and so it's gonna give me a little bit of an energy boost, but as a busy mom, sometimes I need a little bit of an energy boost, right? And so I'm gonna add the wet ingredients first. So first, I'm putting in almond milk. This is unsweetened almond milk, and it's 2 tablespoons, and this is a half of a tablespoon. So that's why you're gonna see me do 4, but I couldn't find my tablespoon, so that's a little math for homeschoolers, right? So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna mix in 1 egg. So that means you're also getting in some protein, and that's always important. If you're trying to watch your sugar cravings, you want a moderate amount of protein. I don't go crazy on protein, but I try to have protein throughout the day to keep my blood sugar stable, and that is really good about this recipe. This recipe also has healthy fats. I'm gonna put in some vanilla extract, and it's only half of a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm gonna put that in there and mix that up really well. And now I'm ready for my dry ingredients. Now, it's a muffin in a mug, which means I want it to rise a little bit and maybe be more like cake-like, so that's where the baking powder comes in. And so this is a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And now, mix that in. And now for the superfoods. You know that this is one of my favorite products. I drink it as my hot chocolate. I make it now in a muffin in a mug. I love this, and it's my one way as a busy mom to get all of the superfoods that I need every single day. It helps me keep my sugar cravings away. It helps me with my my health, like staying healthy, because it has all of those extra superfoods that I don't eat. Mushrooms, algae, I was gonna say it like Moana, bioluminescent algae. And so I'm gonna mix that in really well, and that is what makes it a mocha. So it looks chocolatey, and because I want whatever I eat to help me burn more fat, I'm gonna add in my skinny mocha, my skinny coffee that makes it help me burn more fat throughout the day. It also gives me extra grass-fed butter, collagen, which is amazing for your hair, your skin, your nails, your metabolism, your joints. I love collagen, and this is one way as a busy mom I can get in collagen too. And so I just add that powder, and I'm just mixing it in. That's all that I'm doing. I'm just mixing it in. And so those are my secret ingredients that I always have on hand. And you guys, if you saw me go home for Thanksgiving, these 2 things I keep in my purse, and I had my my skinny mocha on the go. All I needed was hot water, and I put it in my travel mug, and I shook it up, and I was able just to drink it, and that kept me away from the Starbucks line. And if any of you guys are like me, you know, Christmas, these holidays, it just makes us crazy busy, and that's one way that I can stay on track throughout the holidays. Okay, now, every microwave is different. That's my disclaimer. I'm gonna start with 45 seconds. I would encourage you, if you are making this at home, to start with 45 seconds, because some microwaves have stronger power, and so you don't want this to overbake. Because if you overbake it, it's gonna be dry and yucky and bleh. So you don't want that. So start with 45 seconds. I hope I didn't say 45 minutes. Start with 45 seconds and then just check it, and I'll show you what the top of mine, or at least the way I like it, is I like it like extra like gooey. And so the top of mine is going to be a little gooey. I'm gonna wash my hands real fast. Now, if you are making this for your kids and you want a recipe without the caffeine, then just leave out the keto coffee and just mix in a little bit of extra butter and some cocoa powder. Okay, I'm gonna check it. What does it look like? Okay, I'm gonna let it go just a little bit longer. And if you have like heavy whipping cream, you can mix that up and put that on top and make it like a real dessert. I'm lazy, and so I'm gonna check and see if I have some Ready Whip, and then you can put that on top. Oh, my girls always eat this, and so then it leaves none for me, which that's mom life, right? So let's see. Okay. So that's what it looks like, and it didn't stick to the mug, thankfully, because that's one of the biggest things is that it always wants to stick to the mug. Now, if you're fancy, you can turn it over. Let me show you. You can turn it over and eat it out of the mug, and then put a little Ready Whip on top. Okay, it's gonna melt and make it all creamy. But there you go. And voila, that's you a keto-friendly muffin in a mug that's chocolate, that gives you your superfood so that you stay healthy and to keep the sugar cravings away and to keep you in fat-burning mode. I mean, hello, this is like a win-win-win. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy this. And if you want the recipe, just say recipe and I'll send it to you.